Ngit-ngit po. Ulo eh. Ay. Let's open my parcel. Walay gonte nga yun. Ako kay sudlanan. May susunod. Let's see. Soft glow. Acetyl, glutathione, plus rosehip and marine collagen, plus vitamin and zinc food supplement. Then embrace the new moon. What is new moon? And it's this. Maklaro ba? This logo. Halal. Let's open. Palitan ni kay. Look. So dark. Nagratao badyaw. Ay, guwapa pang badyaw. Guwapa man ang badyaw. Hindi pa yun. Expiration niya is 2026. Di maklaro. Low. Kasi tawagan na ito camera tayo. Pinobre. This has boost your wellness with New Moon Soft Glow, a premium glutathione supplement infused with vitamin C and essential vitamins, designed to support your body's natural antioxidant defense. This protein blend promotes skin health and better immune system function. Carefully crafted for optimal absorption and effectiveness, embrace the power of glutathione and vitamin C in one convenient supplement for a radiant and healthier you. How to take? Take 1 to 2 capsules of Soft Glow daily before sigma nambuktan. Nambuktan sa mo. Nasa isulod. Okay, let's open. Yun. Like okay. So, na-order na ko ni sila sa ilahay yung shop. New Moon. What is New Moon yung shop. Bulacan, Marilao, Patubig Warehouse. I bought this 499 point something.